Well, it's a beautiful morning. Bad morning for the Ford. What's you tell them what you're doing there, Weston?
Ran out of diesel.
Ran out of diesel?
Yeah. Which is funnel ain't gonna work.
It's not gonna work?
Unless you pour and I hold.
Yeah, it's at a weird angle, ain't it?
Yeah.
We need one that's got that bendy bit. A hose. Let's see.
Oh, you got a battery?
Let's just go get that bigger one. Got a bigger one. We can make it work. Somebody decided to sleep in this morning. Yeah, it wasn't me. Now it's daylight and we're not getting any oil on the ground. What do you think? You reckon that'll work?
I've been trying.
That's bigger.
Might work. It almost looks like a urinal.
A what?
A urinal.
Hey, y'all, I don't know what you're doing your business in, but
Well, you
mine are quite a bit bigger than that. See, that way we can at least still hold it better, you know?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got. Well, it's all just gonna go.
Just take it slow.
We don't have to bring it all the way. Just like that. That's fine. Pour it in there.
Yeah.
Don't splash me. Hold on. Oh God. Yeah, it's my fault. I decided not to stop at the fuel station last night on the way home, so but I do want to just blame Weston for most of everything. Anyways, I'll get back to you guys once we got this problem all sorted out. Starting with this one right here. It might take a longer time to sort that problem out than I figure. All right, guys, so I'm going to jump in here and just kind of give you a rundown of what's going on. Yeah, we ran out of diesel there. That was my fault. Of course, I had time to stop, or had the opportunity rather to stop the night before to get diesel on the way home, but it had just been a rough week, dog tired, and I thought, I'll risk it. So goes every good plan until it doesn't work out. And it didn't work out here. Thankfully, we ran out of diesel there right at the house, so I was able to get a can thrown in the tank, and we were off to the fuel stop, and then off to the job, as you see here. Now this job. It's a pretty good job. I really enjoyed the place that we're going here. It's just a beautiful place, and we're at peak season here in the fall, so just a beautiful place, and we had quite lucky to have the opportunity to work there. This is a dog training facility. They're a new facility, and they've just opened up, just built that nice building out here. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any good camera footage of when I first came out to give an estimate on the job for the tar and chip. But I do have some photos that I will throw up on the screen here for you guys to look at, and hopefully you can see a good or a big difference between the transition of from when we first arrived to where we're at now and what it might look like here in the very near future. But yeah, just wanted to get that explained and out of the way, and if I hope you can just sit down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the show here, and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. got Weston mad at me now. He's telling me I'm not giving him enough stone. He's having to sleep too much. They're getting mad at me. I'll tell you what, this is turning into a very nice tar and chip job here. We're about to roll this part in here. We got that back portion rolled in, as you can probably see on the time lapse. We're gonna get you set up on time lapse again, and I'll when we start this back portion here, which we're about to begin, I'll check back in with you guys and give you a little progress report on how we've been doing. All right. All right, Weston, what do you think? What's no good?
I don't know anything.
Yeah, tell you about it. He about fell off that. You guys missed it. He just about broke his ankle trying to claim workers' comp on me. All right, so I told you I'd get back with you with the midday update, and here's where we are. We're about to head out to lunch, but I'm telling you what, this is just shaping up really nicely. Yeah, real happy with the way this is turning out. Get you kind of closer there so you can see what it looks like. We're going to head out to lunch, and when we eat lunch, we'll come back and we will start to get the top half of this pad done, and then it's on down the driveway. You buying lunch? Why not? Huh?
You already told me you'd buy lunch.
I told you I'd buy lunch.
Yeah.
I thought we had a bet going.
A bet?
Yeah. Here's the bet. The bet was, did I give you enough stone along that edge? That was the bet.
What?
Don't go back on it now.
Hey,
I put enough stone down. You had enough stone. There you was crying, whining for more stone.
Barely. I barely had enough. I had to like...
So what you're telling me is I was perfect.
No.
You heard it.
No,
Perfect.
I had to scrape from like halfway over.
Hey, just because you had to work a little harder didn't mean you didn't have the stone. I won the bet. You buy lunch.
If you were to fill these pants right now, I swear to...
Oh, are they wet? Yeah. Oh my God, I can see how... Can you guys see the color change there? That's sweat. All right, we'll see you guys when we get back from lunch. We'll tackle this front half of the pad and then on down the driveway. All right, guys, we're back from lunch. Pretty good, thanks for asking. And we are back to work. Working on this backside now. I'm about to go ahead and start loading stone. And we'll go ahead and get started with that now. guys, so I felt like this was a good time to jump in here and fill you in on what's going on. As you can see around us here, it's fall time, and I don't know that we've this is kind of the job where we've gotten a little bit more adjusted to fall weather as the sunlight starts to leave the field a little sooner than what we had anticipated. It's about this time that we realized, we've kind of got our backs up against the wall, this being a little bit of a larger job than what we usually try to accomplish in a 24-hour period. But nevertheless, we did jump in there and get everything done, as you'll see as the video progresses. But unfortunately, it means we have to do a little bit less commentary and a little bit more time lapse when it comes to the getting it on camera. But yeah, we were burning all the lights on all the machines, trying to get everything squared away before the last rays of sunlight just leaped over the hill and we were left in the dark. But we did end up getting it done. But yeah, I just wanted to jump in here and let you guys know what's going on. But yeah, if you've made it this far in the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Sure helps me out. Thanks a lot. right, guys, it's been kind of a rough day. It's been a rough week. We've had a lot going on, a lot of work to do. We're trying to get all these jobs, tar and chip jobs, done before winter hits, and we're kind of at the mercy of the emulsion plant. But good news is, it looks like we're getting to a point where all of our jobs are going to be getting wrapped up in time. And those that may not, we have a plan for those as well. Thankfully, I've got a great client base, clientele, and they understand, how this business is and how things work. So as long as you communicate with everybody and let them know, what's going on, it's no problem. On the other hand, trying to keep Weston working is becoming quite the issue. I'm just kidding. He does a good job. But look at this. How beautiful is that? Couldn't ask for a better setting. As long as you're going to be working, you might as well work in a beautiful environment, even if it smells like emulsion half the time. Now he's telling me to hurry up. Hey! You're telling me to hurry up? Who's over here playing on their phone?
Huh?
Who's been over here playing on their phone?
I'm getting ready to go. This thing's ready.
Hey, now I've got to bleep you out, man. Kid friendly, kid friendly.
Kid friendly.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do with him. I've been trying to figure him out since day one. He's got a sailor's mouth, cusses like a... That's National Guard for you. That's what National Guard guys are. Just a bunch of, they wannabe sailors by the way they talk.
Wannabe sailor.
I'm just kidding. Now the National Guard people are going to get on here and get pissed off at me. You reckon that's hot enough? You don't think so? What's it running? I think I don't know. Let's look. Is that full? Is that full? It's higher than that remote. It's higher than that remote. What do you think about your background? What do you think about your background?
I'm thinking we're losing daylight.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Can we get this going or what? Golly. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse so you can watch us finish up the rest of this emulsion, spraying down the rest of this emulsion. All right, guys. Well, I want to jump in here one last final time, I promise. But you can see we're coming to the end of the driveway and the end of the video. So if you guys have made it this far, I want you to consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. That'll certainly encourage me to continue making content like this. And this isn't the only thing we do as far as tar and chip is concerned. We do other things. I will do some some hardscapes, some excavation, things of that nature. But our bread and butter are these tar and chip driveways. We know what we're doing. We're pretty efficient at it. You probably can't tell by watching this video. We had some mistakes. For example, taking that caution tape down and letting that blue car in. The caution tape across the opening of the driveway there, and of course the car just kind of swung in there and did a little bit of damage to the emulsion. We just kind of reshot and put some more emulsion down on the ground, but I'm a little more concerned about the car than I am the driveway. The driveway is fine. But yeah, we kind of got worked into the night hours here. We aren't finished with the driveway. We do need to come back and do a fog seal. This is just a protective layer that we shoot down over the top of the tar and chip once we sweep the chips off. It's recommended every 5 to 7 years to do a fog seal if you have a tar and chip driveway, just to kind of keep it maintained and looking good and in good shape. So I promise I will be back and I'll show you what the finished product looks like, and we'll probably be able to do a little better job with the video and capturing it on film. Yeah, so again, like, comment, subscribe, and once again, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.